Are you struggling to break free from smoking or control your alcohol consumption? Meet Cale.
My name's Cale. I've been meaning to do this video for Michael for a while. I wanted to do it kind of perfect, but it's really hard to do when you're busy with kids and stuff like that, so here I am doing it from my shed. But I definitely want to say anyone thinking of working with Michael, do it, absolutely do it. I smoked for well over 20 years, and one session with Michael, I'm done. I've not smoked since. I don't plan on smoking ever again.
A success story who found freedom through clinical hypnosis. Cale was finding it challenging to stop smoking on his own. As most smokers, Cale tried every strategy under the sun, including nicotine replacements, not just once but multiple times with no success. He found after seeing me and using my strategy, not only was he able to call himself a non-smoker, but his health improved, along with his bank account. Welcome to the world of clinical hypnosis, where change begins from within. With over 12 years of clinical experience, I'm here to guide you toward a life of freedom and control. Imagine a space where your conscious and subconscious minds work together harmoniously to achieve your goals.
Recommending for that one. Also, I haven't had a drink. I went and saw Michael for drinking. I wasn't a crazy alcoholic, but I was drinking every day and drinking a lot. I wasn't getting drunk, but just I was dependent on alcohol, and I needed to make a change. I also sought Michael's help for that, and I haven't had a drink in nearly 10 months. And honestly, anyone trying to beat an addiction or change their lives for the better.
Clinical hypnosis is not just a solution, it's a journey toward a healthier, happier you. Do you find yourself caught in a conflict within? The conscious mind knows why you need to stop, while the subconscious mind holds on to the belief that it's protecting you in some way. This internal dialogue creates a tug of war. I want to stop versus, but I also enjoy it at some level. This is where clinical hypnosis steps in, bridging the gap and helping both parts of your mind focus on the specific goal. Let's break free from the cycle of conflict and empower both aspects of your mind to work in harmony toward a common purpose. Now, witness the transformative power of clinical hypnosis. Picture a life where you are no longer controlled by addiction, but instead, you are in control. Experience the harmony and peace that comes when both parts of your mind align towards your goal. Through clinical hypnosis, individuals like Cale have discovered a newfound sense of empowerment. It's not just about quitting, it's about embracing a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and purpose. Break free today, because you deserve a life of peace and harmony. Thanking you for your time, like, and subscribe to help with YouTube's algorithm and for more empowering content. If this is something that you would like to explore, we offer Zoom sessions to make it easier for us to connect.